Hi there. We are now inside of the mobile version of Google Labs. And if you go to Google Search Labs and you scroll down to AI mode, you'll want to make sure that AI mode is turned on and you can access AI mode from this area. We're going to click on Try AI mode. That's going to bring us to the Google browser. And if you have already turned on AI mode, you will have access in your Google Chrome browser to AI mode. AI mode is designed to be an audible platform primarily, so we can click on the microphone and we can speak our request. We'll need to turn on our microphone. Where are the most accessible books on the subject of the theory of constraints that are recently published and applicable to online marketing? And you will see that Google will come up with your answers, and you can go through your answers here in this area. And you can iterate with the chatbot. Choose one book that is most relevant, and that should be read first. So you can iterate with Google Search in AI mode, and you'll be able to use it in the same way that you would use any other chatbot. Since Dr. Goldratt has passed away, what is the best site to access information about the theory of constraints and how it applies to online marketing? And you'll see that you can iterate with the chatbot and you can do it audibly on your mobile device. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.